In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Squarespace. Whether you're looking to broaden your e-commerce reach or streamline your online presence, integrating these two platforms can enhance your business efficiency and offer a unified experience for your customers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by logging into your Shopify account. Make sure you're on the main dashboard, as this is where we'll begin taking action. Once you're in, head over to the Online Store section on the left-hand menu and click on it. You'll see several options appear, including Themes. That's where we want to go next. Now, within the Themes section, you'll need to scroll down until you find the button labeled Actions. Clicking on this will present a drop-down menu, and from there, you should select Edit Code. Doing so will enable us to access the HTML and CSS files that are part of your Shopify store's theme. Next, you'll see a list of folders on the left. Look for the folder named Templates and click it. We're interested in the product.liquid file, so go ahead and open that file. Once inside, you need to focus on copying the embed code that corresponds to a particular product or products you wish to showcase on your Squarespace site. After you have the embed code copied, the next step is to log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the section of your site where you want to place the Shopify product. It could be a particular page designed for showcasing items, or wherever you believe visitors will engage with it most effectively. While editing that section, you'll need to add a code block. This is where you'll paste the Shopify embed code you previously copied. Squarespace code block feature is quite versatile, allowing you to insert HTML, CSS, and even JavaScript code, making it ideal for this sort of integration. Before you finish up, make sure to use the preview function within Squarespace to see how your embedded Shopify product looks and functions. This step is crucial because it helps ensure that everything appears as expected and functions smoothly before finalizing the changes. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks and works, go ahead and save your changes on Squarespace. Remember, it's always a good idea to view your site from a visitor's perspective to ensure seamless navigation and usability. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Shopify with Squarespace. This approach allows you to combine the robust e-commerce platform of Shopify with the sleek and modern design capabilities of Squarespace, all while maintaining brand consistency across your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your online business platforms.